Hey guys, how are you? In this video, the aim will be to give you an introduction to Java. I hope you have already installed Java on your system, right? If you haven't, you can either use VS Code or IntelliJ. Again, I have created a video on both of these things and they will be either on top right or in the description, right? So again, you should have Java installed on either VS Code or IntelliJ. Now, what do I suggest? I suggest IntelliJ. Why? Because in industry, see, I have some experience, right? So I have seen in industries, people generally prefer IntelliJ for Java, okay? And that's the best choice according to me as well. Now, coming to some basic reasoning that, okay, since this is an introduction video, right? So why do you need Java? So of course, you have clicked on this video, so you have to learn Java. A few reasons: for your school. Second reason, to get a job. Third, of course, if let's say you might be wanting to change your job and you want to get into tech field, starting with Java is a good choice. Now, a few questions. Is it good enough? Well, 3 billion devices are running on it, so of course it will be good enough. Now, where is it used? It's used in desktop applications, mobile application, database connection, games, and web servers. So these are the different places where Java is used. Now, in front of you, there is a basic program, right? And we can do it right now, but I am trying to make it in parts, right? So you can make more sense out of it. So simple enough, this was basic introduction. You know what is Java? It's a simple programming language, right? Now, one very important thing, I'll show you some basic notes which are important and you can maybe take some screenshot as well. I'll put it in front of you. So see, Java is a programming language. It's a strongly typed programming language. It was created in 1995. Python was created in 1991. First language, IBM. Now, see, these are basic things that you should know, right? Before starting something. Again, how many devices? 3 billion. Where is it used? These places. I'm clearly saying we should not use it in games. In games, we use some other languages like C#. Okay. In web servers, it's the main use case. Database connection, VVIP, means very, very important, right? In mobile apps, well, we have better technologies, but yeah, you can say as a base, you need foundation as Java, right? So we know why Java is important. The second step is creating a project and trying to run a basic program. And that's what we'll do in the next video. Again, one very important thing before I end this video, please make sure you do one thing, that is installation of Java. In the next class, we'll directly run it. The link of how to install IntelliJ and run Java is in the description. Please watch it before watching the next one. Bye bye guys.